Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where applications are missing from the volume mixer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, check the volume mixer once again. Restart your computer and check it once again. If it is still mixing, then right click on the system icon and sound icon, go to settings. Now scroll down and select this option for more sound settings. Find the audio output, which is speakers in my case. Right click on it and select properties. Okay. And check through all these options. There may be something called as an exclusive mode. There is a checkbox which says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Make sure that this is checked. This should be checked. If it's not checked, then you will face that issue. Click on OK and then on OK once again, and it will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.